Trello is a visual project management tool that helps you organize tasks, projects, and team collaborations effortlessly. Let's take a quick look at how it works. Go to www.trello.com and sign up or log in. On your dashboard, click Create New Board, name it, choose a background, and click Create. Add lists to structure your workflow like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Then create cards for tasks by clicking Add a Card. Open a card to add details like descriptions, due dates, labels, checklists, and attachments. Invite team members by clicking Share and entering their email. Assign tasks by dragging profile icons onto cards. Move cards between lists to track progress and use labels or power-ups for extra functionality. That's it. Trello makes project management simple and efficient. Get started at www.trello.com.